There is a certain architectural grammar to power. Around Foley Square, we have seen its soaring Beaux-Arts optimism in the Dinkins building. But governments, like people, have many moods, and sometimes their mood is one of blunt, unadorned, almost petulant functionality. And here we have it, the Ted Weiss Federal Building. Let us be frank, it is a wall. A 34-story slab of thermal finish granite and dark glass, planted with all the grace of a tax bill arriving in the mail. Designed by the architectural firm of Max Abramovitz, a man who gave us the sublime Avery Fisher Hall, this building serves as a stark reminder that even Homer nods. Completed in 1994, it is an architectural hangover from a sterner time, a diluted echo of the brutalist impulse, stripped of its ideological vigor and left with only its intimidating scale. Its purpose is to house the cogs of the federal machine, the IRS, the EPA, and it looks exactly like a place that houses the IRS. It is utterly devoid of charm, and that, one suspects, is entirely the point. It does not invite, it processes.
But the true story here, the tragedy that every architectural connoisseur feels when looking at this spot, is not what is here, but what is not. For this granite slab stands on haunted ground. This was the site of the legendary New York World Building, the Pulitzer Building, a magnificent dome-crowned marvel from 1890, the first building in this city to surpass the spire of Trinity Church. It was a Baroque, brilliantly alive cathedral of journalism. It was demolished in 1955, a casualty of Robert Moses's expansion of the Brooklyn Bridge approaches. For decades, the site was a parking lot, a wound in the urban fabric. The final insult, perhaps, was erecting this. So when you walk down Broadway, past the ethereal grace of the Woolworth, do not see this building merely as a dull necessity. See it for what it truly is. It is an act of erasure made manifest in stone. It is a monument to the victory of bureaucratic process over architectural poetry. It is a tombstone for a giant and a filing cabinet for a government.